Siora Surgical Private Limited. It's a company of making medical devices for trauma products which help in joining fractured bones, and we are a company who's exporting the products in 50 countries with a network of 122 distributors. My father's journey in 1989 envisaging this company in industrial area, and from there this plant was set up. Gradually it has been modernized, the different standards as the technology has evolved. When I personally think about Siora brand, the first thing comes to my mind is we have to make great quality. Due to our quality, the patient lives should get improved and patients should not be in trouble. Since Siora's inception, 12 million patients have been implanted with Siora-made devices and they are working well in their lives, they are healthy. Basically, in patient-specific implants, the most critical thing is timing. So, patient is already in a hospital and he or she cannot be kept for many days. We have to give a solution by collaborating with the surgeon in a short period of time. Back in 2010, we started with Indian machines. Then there was a need to go for a compact machine and more better and rigid machine which is fast, and we are able to achieve breakdown-free working shifts. We were continuously visiting different exhibitions in India and abroad, and we happened to see this machine, brother. And similarly, we also happened to see the competitors' machines. But then, when we saw the umbrella spindle compactness of the machine, our thought was, okay, let us try this machine. We bought one machine initially, so we tried and tested out this machine for a year, that whether it fits our needs or whether it solves our purpose or not. Then we were very happy after a year. The story then continued from there. We kept on buying it. Then in later stages, we also felt there was a need of complete 5-axis machine, because in 5-axis machines are very expensive, irrespective of the make. Keeping in affordability and everything, we requested brother team that the company should come out with a 5-axis machine. So I'm very glad they heard us out on that issue and they introduced this 5-axis machine for India, and we are able to import those complete 5-axis machines. Getting the right machine at right price, not affecting your product's cost, is the real challenge, which of course helps us to improve our quality of the product in an affordable way. Best qualities, record times. From there we have grown to about 20 machines, so that no surgeries can be missed in the hospitals. Our idea of sustainability is minimum space, maximum output in a more efficient way. These all parameters are fulfilled by product. It's very energy efficient. Other spindles, other makes, eating at least 3 times more electricity. It is sustainable. It is very carbon neutral. In a country like India, where industrial land cost is not very cheap, where we can put 2 brother machines, we are able to put only 1 Indian machine. So of course, if we have a space of 10 machines, we are able to put 20 machines, which helped us to expand our productivity in a more energy efficient way, bringing cycle times down, improving the product. So brother has helped us in achieving that. Many of our worldwide customers are looking for a less carbon footprint manufactured product, which the machine is helping us to do that. In the coming days, we also hope to increase more machines, expanding our manufacturing facility, and thereby increasing our product portfolio to other than trauma to spine, CMF and other products.